This TradingView indicator just got a whole lot better. That's right, we're officially releasing EzAlgo V4 on September 1st. So if you already have EzAlgo, then you can just remove this indicator on September 1st, re-add it, and you will have EzAlgo version 4, all right? And I'm super excited about this update because really at this point it is an all-encompassing indicator. And we've added some new inputs that I want to go over with you today on what you can expect from this new update and just show you guys how possible trading is, okay? And anyone can do this, all right? Especially with the new inputs that we've added. I'm on the 5-minute time frame. Yes, I'm using Heikin-Ashi candles. I usually will have a split screen, but you can still use this indicator with your regular Japanese candles, right? And as you can see, there's a couple of new inputs that I want to cover with you today. Let's go back to Heikin-Ashi because that is normally what I trade on. Even on the 5-minute, I'll do a split screen. But first thing I want to say is if you don't have an indicator that keeps in mind your horizontal support and resistance levels, then you really need to do that, all right? And obviously, I'm going to recommend you EzAlgo. Click the first link in the description below to get yourself EzAlgo if you don't have it already. As with any trading strategy, you need to keep in mind your horizontal levels. That is the bread and butter of this indicator and just of trading in general, right? You want to keep these levels in mind. If you're just taking signals, it doesn't matter how accurate they are. When price is in the middle of a range, you're going to get chopped up and it's not going to be fun. So you really want an indicator that has these levels identified for you to take away the manual technical analysis. But you guys know that by now. I kind of want to cover the new inputs in EzAlgo V4 and show you guys kind of how to trade with this. So first thing you'll notice are these buy and sell dots. Now these are the standard buy and sell signals. But to be honest, I like to keep these off because I don't really like using the buy and sell signals. I don't trade solely off the buy and sell signals. So I keep these dots on here just as a reminder of where the momentum is going and where I can expect price to go. But I'm not basing my entries off of these buy and sell signals. And that's why I keep the buy and sell labels off. And we have these new inputs right here. If I go to settings, we have these new inputs under style. As you can see, we have the buy and sell signals, but we've also added the mild buy and sell as well as the divergence buy and sell, right? So this will notify you when there is a confirmed divergence. So the divergence buy and sell are these little triangles, which I will show you, but they pretty much will confirm your entry. So you're not basing your trades solely off the divergence buy and sell either. But what I'm really excited about are the mild buy and sell. And those are those little X's. And you can obviously, change the labels if you want to. And of course, we still have the reversal buy and sell, which I don't have on right now. But if I turn on the reversal signals, you'll be able to see those as well. And look, we had a reversal signal right there. So when you use all of these in confluence, they're extremely accurate, right? We got some reversal signals. We got that little X right there, and price started to drop. But I'm going to keep those off for now because I don't want too much stuff on my screen right now. Want to show you guys really how simple this all is. So the reason I'm on Ethereum Classic is because a buddy of mine actually took this trade. I think it was right around here on this signal when it confirmed. And it went up like 4%. And I thought it was hilarious because he's literally trading in a college class right now, on track to make more than his teachers, right? And I just got him into trading and he's been following the strategies that I've been showing you guys and has been absolutely killing it. So, shout out you if you're listening, you know who you are. But this is one of the trades that he took. And I want to show you guys how you can snipe your entries with these mild and divergence buy signals, right? And this is obviously non-repaint as well. So we have this little blue X right here. That is the buy signal. And we are at a support level, so we are going to take that trade. Stop loss below previous swing low, somewhere around there. And once we see that divergence buy signal, that pretty much confirms our entry. That means there is a divergence on the momentum waves, and we're expecting price to go up. And we're going to target, at least right here for our first take profit, and probably right here for our second take profit. You can do the same thing on the way back. We have this little red X. You can enter on the closure of that candle, right? Stop loss above previous swing high. And that red sell dot kind of confirms our trade. And we're up, 1% right now. So now you'd probably move your stop loss to break even, maybe take some, and now you've locked in the trade. That's another winning trade. So these mild buy and sell signals are great for either taking profit or entering a trade. But like I said, you don't want to use these when price is in the middle of a range. You want to use this in confluence with the EzAlgo support levels to see some incredible results. And, for everyone that has EzAlgo right now, or is thinking about getting EzAlgo, once you get this indicator, you can back test it. Like I said, it's non-repaint, real time, so you can back test these signals at support and resistance levels, and they are absolutely killing it, right? And this is the 5-minute time frame. Obviously, they work better if you're on a a higher time frame, as you can see right here, we have this little red X, as well as behind that red sell dot, there is a divergence sell signal, and that would be a perfect spot to enter a short because we are at that resistance level, and you'd be targeting, probably around here. Maybe move your stop loss to break even at around 1%, but still a profitable trade nonetheless. And then, that continued dumping after it broke this support level, right? And I can go back even further and show you, right? We have that little buy signal right there. Stop loss below previous swing low, take profits somewhere around here, maybe even hold some up here. And we got that red X at the top right there. And you can go back and see it for yourself. Like I said, for best results, you want to use these at the support and resistance levels, and they have been absolutely killing it. If you really want to time the market when you're scalping, this is your best bet in terms of Tradingview indicators. We also have this trend dashboard, which was in the last update, which we're still keeping, of course. And when you have all of these together, guys, you will see some incredible results. Like I said, I can go to a higher time frame and it works even better. Let's go to Bitcoin for a second on, let's say, the 30-minute time frame. And let's see what we come up with, right? We're at the support zone right off the bat. I can see we're at the support zone right around here, and it's also a support zone on EzAlgo. What do you know? And as you can see, we got that little blue X right here on this candle. And you could even go down to a lower time frame to get that entry, and price came up, right? Same thing at the top. We had this, sell signal right here. Then we had this divergent sell signal, and then another sell signal with that little red X. And then, eventually we got that sell dot on EzAlgo, and price came down 3.5%. So you can, look at this yourself and see how accurate it is. This is absolutely incredible. I know this is going to help a ton of you guys not only find that perfect entry, but also help you to take profit, right? Because I know that's something a lot of people struggle with, is taking profit. And I always recommend using the support and resistance levels as take profit. But price could reverse in the middle of a range. For example, if you took this long right around here and you see two EzAlgo mild sell signals, that's probably when you're going to take a majority of your profit. And as soon as those signals confirmed, price dropped a little bit. Granted, it did come back up, but you never know. So it's good to have these signals as well as take profit indicators. And I'm so excited about this update, guys. I know this is going to help a ton of you. I'm super excited to see your results with this indicator. Like I said, if you don't have EzAlgo already, click the first link in the description below. We also are releasing our VIP tiers starting September 1st, where you can copy real-time crypto signals from Air and Jay inside the Discord. These guys are absolute snipers. So if you want to copy their exact trades every single day, then be sure to sign up for the VIP tier. Also, Rob is officially releasing his 4X tier inside the Discord. We're going to be aiming for at least a couple hundred pips per week, right? More so like 500 to 1,000, but obviously there are no guarantees. But we have some of the greatest traders in the world inside this Discord. If you're not in it yet, at least if you're not in the free Discord, I don't know what to tell you, all right? Because this is the place to be. If you're still a little bit speculative of these signals, we are going to keep some free signals in there for the free Discord, so you can follow some of the free signals. And if it's working out for you, which I guarantee you it will, you can obviously upgrade from there. And like I said, EzAlgo is a must in terms of indicators, especially if you're brand new to trading and you want some help identifying these levels and entering and exiting positions. Definitely be sure to get yourself EzAlgo. That's it for me in this video, guys. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I'll see you guys next video.